Hi guys, it's Chocolate Madness here, and today I am going to make a short tutorial on Scratch. So today we are going to make a drawing game. So come on, let's click create. I don't need this, so I'm gonna keep this. Go to costumes, delete this whole, and name it pen. This will be no. We We're gonna keep you, we're gonna fill you in the end. We're gonna go paint and make a circle that is exact width and length are the same. Wait a second. Just say this enough. I think this much is enough. Delete. We're gonna name you the color. We are going to name you the color purple. And we're gonna copy you again and again. We're gonna line them in a straight line like this. And we're gonna go ahead and fill in the color. The first will be paint yellow. The first color will be the eraser. Where I am with outline. We're gonna select you to the outline to this, so the eraser can show. So you will be named eraser. The circle will have no. Red. 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 We're gonna name purple. We're gonna make you like this color. Then I am going to choose this color. then this color, then this color, then this color, then this color, grass green, then this pastel blue, sort of icy blue. Here we are going to do yellow, and in the last we are going to do black. Black outline with black. Now let's name every color. This is blue. This is green. This is pink. This is dark green. This is icy blue. This is yellow. And last of all will be black. From this color of variations, the darkest color is black and the lightest is the razor. So we're gonna go to code and to go to eraser. So first of all, we're gonna go to control and we're gonna go to the events and take when this right is clicked, and then broadcast new message. We're gonna do eraser. Okay, we're gonna do the same code for everything. We're gonna just copy this to everyone. And last but not least, black. And now we are going to change the broadcast new message, and we're gonna type here purple. Here we are going to write red. Here we are going to write blue. Here we are going to write green. Here we are going to write pink. Here we are going to write dark green. Here we are going to type icy blue. Here we are going to write yellow. And then the last color, black. Now we are going to the pen and then do the first coat. So for this game, we are going to need the pen extension, and we are going to get the pen extension from here. So after this, we're going to erase all, then set pen size. You may adjust this to anything you want. I am going to do 20, and then set pen color to. I am going to do yellow. You may choose any color. Then I am going to control and take the forever block. Then go to the motion category and choose this block, and here we are going to do mouse pointer. Then we are gonna go again to the control category and pick this block. Here we are gonna put the mouse down. That will be found on. मैंने बंद नहीं किया. चल. Then we are going to do pen down, and then pen up. Here we're going to go to pen and events, and then I am going to choose when I receive eraser. Here we are going to go to the pen extension and take set pen size to 20, and then set your pen color to white, which is the color of our eraser. We are gonna copy this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Duplicate, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we are gonna delete this block. And then we are gonna change this. Oh no! We're gonna choose the black color. Go here and select this. Then I am going to take icy blue Then the, then click this, and then click this. Then click yellow, and then pick this color. Then I am going to do dark green and pick this color. Then I am gonna choose pink, and then I am going to go down a bit and choose pink. Then gonna go here, do just green, and then click this. Go here, select red, and then click this. Go here, pick blue, here, and then do this. This is our last block, purple, and then do this. Now we're gonna go to full size and try it out. It does not follow the mouse when we don't press it, and it also changes the color. Let's try to erase it. Let's make let's try to make the eraser size to 40, and then go. We're gonna restart the game. Blue, make some X's, some circles, some shadows with the yellow. And let's erase it. I can see the difference. I am going to the C project page, and here I am going to write drawing game. So this was the end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.